Okay, I'm making a video now of the replacement of an EGR valve, which is this, and it's just come out of that Lucas box for a Vauxhall Zafira, 2003. Basically it's very easy. You need, first you need a T30, which is a torqued head, as you can see there. You remove that bolt there, and you remove the lid, the cap of the oil filler cap, which mine's broken, so I can go through it, but you have to remove it, right? I'm going to change it now for a new one I got. When you remove that, you'll see that this is the cover for the spark plugs, and your your regulator valve, EGR valve, which is basically that. Is there. You see it? That valve there is the same as that. So basically, now you need a T45, with a socket wrench, and you go down in there, which I've already done in a way. That's why I'm being able to film. You remove that bolt there and that bolt there. Once you remove that, you can take that out and take the other one out. Unplug it. This connector is plugged into the side of the valve. You pull it up and away, and there's your valve. That controls the idling in the car. So there's also a gasket. If you get those, that's one, there's the other one there. If you get the 25 quid eBay valves, they might not come with a gasket, so you need to keep onto that, clean it, and then put it down with the edge. You see there's a small edge there, looking downwards, right, into the engine in a way. Basically you got that one. It's pretty easy, This one, the Lucas one, which is about 70 quid, comes with a gasket, you see, and the barb is looking down, right, as it should go. Put it back on, put those two back on, tighten them with a socket wrench, plug it in, put that back on, and you're good to go, right? So pretty simple. And if your car is your Zafira, as a lot of Zafiras, which are 2003, 2002, 4 or 4 2, they start stalling, or the idling goes down, or the power in the engine goes down. You just need to do that. That's it. 2 4 bolts and removing the cap. I hope that helps you guys, and or women if you're a mechanic. Right, lid is back on. The new oil cap is on, and the new replacement for the EGR valve is under there. You can't see it with that lid on, but it's on, so that should idle correctly now. Let's see. It's wanting to do it. And on to 900, 800. That should be alright. It's controlling it. It needs to run a bit, and in a while we should see that light go off too. So just leave it idling for about 10 minutes till the valve starts getting into gear as such. And that's it, that's the car ready for MOT.